Matatag Curriculum, DepEd Memorandum No. 54, Series of 2023, Pilot Implementation of the Matatag Curriculum. The Matatag Agenda was launched as the new direction of the DepEd towards improving the quality of basic education in the country. To help attain the commitments articulated in the Matatag Agenda, DepEd has adopted DepEd Order No. 13, Series of 2023, Adoption of the National Learning Recovery Program in DepEd. This includes the implementation of the revised curriculum, otherwise known as the Matatag Curriculum. There are 7 pictures of the Matatag Curriculum. Number 1, the Congested Curriculum. Number 2, Focus on Foundational Skills. Number 3, Balanced Cognitive Demands. Number 4, Clearer Articulation of 21st Century Skills. Number 5, Reduced Learning Areas. Number 6, Intensified Values Education and Peace Education. And number 7, On a Par with International Standards. The Matatag Curriculum shall be implemented in phases. For school year 2024 to 2025, it will start from the kindergarten, grade 1, grade 4, and grade 7. For school year 2025 to 2026, grade 2, grade 5, and grade 8. For school year 2026 to 2027, grades 3, 6, and 9. And for school year 2027 to 2028, grade 10. Pilot Implementation Objectives. The main objective of the pilot implementation is to gain valuable insights that will inform the implementation of the Matatag Curriculum on a larger scale. Specifically, the pilot implementation shall A. Determine the support needed by teachers and school leaders to effectively implement the Matatag Curriculum. And letter B. Identify challenges, issues, or gaps that may arise in order to address them appropriately. References: DepEd Order No. 13, Series of 2023, and DepEd Order No. 8, Series of 2015. Thank you for watching.